Building and managing crisis management teams is a critical aspect of effective crisis preparedness and response. A well-organized and capable crisis management team can play a central role in navigating through challenging situations. Here are the steps to build and manage a crisis management team. 1. Identify key stakeholders. Identify the key stakeholders within the organization who should be part of the crisis management team. This typically includes senior leadership, department heads, legal counsel, public relations, communication experts, and relevant subject matter experts. 2. Define roles and responsibilities. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of each team member during a crisis. Ensure that each member knows their specific tasks and decision-making authority. 3. Cross-functional representation. Include representatives from various departments and areas of expertise. A diverse and cross-functional team can bring different perspectives and skills to the crisis response. 4. Appoint a crisis leader. Designate a crisis leader who will oversee and coordinate the entire crisis management team. This leader should have strong leadership skills and experience in crisis management. 5. Establish communication protocols. Develop clear communication protocols within the crisis management team. Determine how information will be shared, who should be informed, and how decisions will be communicated. 6. Training and preparedness. Provide training and preparedness exercises for the crisis management team. Conduct drills and simulations to practice crisis response scenarios. 7. Resource allocation. Ensure that the crisis management team has access to the necessary resources, both human and financial, to effectively manage a crisis. 8. Centralized command center. Establish a centralized command center or war room where the crisis management team can gather, collaborate, and make decisions. 9. Documentation and record keeping. Maintain detailed documentation of all crisis management team activities, decisions, and actions taken during a crisis. 10. Regular meetings and updates. Schedule regular meetings of the crisis management team to discuss the current situation, progress, and any changes in the crisis response strategy. 11. Coordination with external partners. Establish communication channels with external partners such as emergency services, government agencies, suppliers, and community organizations to facilitate coordination during a crisis. 12. Evaluate and improve. After each crisis or preparedness exercise, conduct a thorough evaluation of the crisis management team's performance. Identify areas for improvement and implement changes as needed. 13. Empowerment and decision-making authority. Empower the crisis management team to make decisions quickly and decisively. Ensure that they have the necessary authority to act during a crisis. 14. Continuity planning. Develop continuity plans to ensure that the crisis management team can function effectively if key members are unavailable during a crisis. 15. Post-crisis review and learning. After the crisis has been resolved, conduct a post-crisis review to learn from the experience and improve the crisis management team's capabilities for future incidents. Building and managing a crisis management team requires careful planning, training, and collaboration. By having a well-prepared and skilled crisis management team in place, organizations can respond more effectively to crises, minimize the impact, and maintain stakeholder trust.